Back control, fast sweep. Sweeps are entering special stage 10. WD2DW. They kept their sheet.
I don't think the lights do anything for me.
Yeah, they do.
They let the deer see you coming.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It adds 4 horsepower.
It's about that I got tire pressure. I don't think it does anything for me.
We got 3 few people to start 10 and start at 9.
Okay, here you go. What you gonna do with it?
Nope. Not making it off.
Not it.
Not making it at all.
One more time to go and you'll figure it out.
No, I've done this thing like 7 times and I still can't get it right. Because I've tried it so many times. Alright, I'm still on 4? Am I still on 4? Oh well. I think I'm at 4. Oh, that was weird. I saw headlights through the trees.
Yeah, that was weird.
What's that? Up on the ground.
Stage 10 start.
Oh shoot. ABS is kicking in.
Dig it in.
All 10 cars are out on track from here. Are we have a green light to tear down? Stand by. Let me check with the clerk. He stepped out of the trailer for 7 minutes. We know what to do.
This is the coolest thing. This little zigzaggy.
Alright, y'all ready to go? We're picking y'all up. We're gonna pick
Get
y'all
in.
up if you want in.
Yay!
Just be careful of I got a fire extinguisher right there, so when y'all get in,
Get in, hold on.
Oh, yeah, that is Hooper. That's right.
Let me see if he wants me to stay. 2 seconds. Hooper! Can I go with them?
is it just you or both of you? I got room for both.
I'm gonna ask him what he wants to do.
Yeah, he's saying if he could just get flat-towed by him. So he's going to flat-tow them out. So
Okay,
Okay.
cool.
I'll go with him.
Alright. Hang on, she said she's going with him?
Yeah, I'm going with him.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Good.
Yep, let us by. We're on our way.
Whoop, whoop. Let's get him. Come on.
I still think we need to go down
Uphill.
another way.
There's a cliff at the bottom of it.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
No more pin. No pin for you.
No, it's your pen. The truck just ate your pen. It's gone.
That's why I have to, just in case. You always have a throwaway and a keeper.
Uh-huh.
Well, there's that saying, one is none,
2 is
and 2
1,
is 1, or whatever that is.
3 is 5 if you're dumb.
Yeah. Thou shalt
Hang
not.
on. I heard medical.
No problem. Stage 10 start. W4JU.
Or I think he's releasing medical. Yeah, you always have a patient pen in
Yes.
your pen.
Yes.
Take control. Please copy. Car numbers.
Excuse me, syphilis-riddled, bedbug-bitten homeless person. Sign my paper.
Sign my computer, that's what bothers me.
Yeah, and you can have it when you're done.
Car number 15 have completed.
I kept an extra
No.
stylette and I just drop it down.
Yep.
Clorox pops and stuff.
We just make a doctor sign for him.
Look how dark this has got through here. Because it wasn't this dark. The road wasn't that dark before.
It gets dark now.
No. Just the road itself.
Start. Go ahead. Every fireman from Copperhill Basin here or wants to know who they need to talk to or where they need to go to take a checkup.
Uh-oh.
For For what?
We need our money. We need our money. We need it now.
Listen, they need it. They got 40-year-old fire trucks they're trying to raise money for.
Said to go to the Copperhill Brewery in Ducktown and look for Stuart Wood.
Ah, find someone who cares. He can write a check.
Send a firefighter on duty to the bar. Yep,
Brewery and look for Stuart Wood. Is that affirmative?
it's affirmative.
Where are all the spectators at?
It's the Copperhill Brewery, but it's the location in
I was afraid the
Ducktown.
biosods would crawl up and grab them at the stake when it got
The
dark.
Copperhill Brewery, the location in Ducktown, and look for a Stuart Woods. That is, copy that. Control KL1CA. Great, thank you much. Stage 2 start, W4JUU.
Oh, forgot that one.
Yeah, here's another one. Oh,
I knew that one. I missed the other one. There's this bumper on it. You know?
Net control, this is Heavy Suite 2. Heavy Suite 2, net control, go ahead. I'm on course with car 84, and I'm going to flat tune them out. I think it would be easier just to wait until the course is back open so we can reverse direction, if that's okay.
You're the last guy. Send it.
You can go ahead and do that.
Yeah. You're the last one, bro.
Control KL1CA.
Turn them around. Take them out.
Thank you for watching. Heavy Suite, just be advised, I'm sure you know, to make sure that you wait till all cars are through. Got it, thanks.
you don't run on
section.
interstate like this, do you?
This section ruined.
Yeah, I mean, have you been to an interstate in South Carolina? That's about what it looked like.
Is that okay?
If you come down I-95 through Charleston, man,
Alright, that's where I gotta go slow back because this is a slicky part.
you need a helmet and Kevlar.
You can't drive like this on the interstate because, you know, this has got turns. Interstate is straight.
True.
But I don't drive slow.
No.
Yep.
I found out the other day I can set my cruise control at 174 miles an hour.
What?
174 is where I can lock the cruise
That's
at.
crazy.
177 it yells at you, it says no.
I rented a car and it was like it wouldn't let you go above 100 miles an hour on cruise control. I think it was like 99 or something like that. And I just set my cruise control for that because it had the adaptive cruise control.
Yep. And it would just go up to whatever was in front of you.
So as soon as somebody moved out of the way, boom.
Yep.
And of course you can't get there because there's another car that's there.
Control, go ahead. Be advised, we have car 64, car 915,
Car 916,
car 916,
car 65.
and car 65 have completed.
Sweet.
No
We
one's
are
on.
clear.
No one's on.
Copy that. Thank you very much. This is net control.
That means
KL1CA.
send it.
Delta B80.
And this is the last little section right here.
Gotcha.
This is the fun part.
Right there.
Gotcha.
Woohoo!
And net control, that is your current location.
Net control, fast sweep. We are 3.46 miles in on special stage 10, crossing the berm with water on both sides.
Net control, copy. KL1CA.
Whoa! Okay, I did that last time.
Yeah, you did. And it scared you last time, too.
I think it's like a little bit of a drop off over there. Field.
Yep. Brake left.
Not too tight. We done. We out.
Hang on.
Whee!
I didn't know Suburbans had wings.
I didn't know that either. We got some air on that.
I gave her some Red Bull.